Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will use Outlook to read, write, send, and reply emails. Let's start. Select New Email, then type the email address of the recipient in the text field and the reason of the email in the subject line. In the body, write your email message, then click Send. To reply to an email, select the email from your inbox, click Reply, and type your message. Note that the attachments will not be added to the reply, so in case you need to add it again. Then click Send. Now, let's forward an email. Select the email, click Forward, and enter the recipient email address into the text field. If needed, modify the subject and the email message in the body, then click Send. Always check the sent folder to confirm the email was released. Now we cover how to attach files. When you're creating an email message, select Attach File, clicking on the clip icon. You'll find recent files at the top. To attach another email, select Attach Item, then Outlook Item. Then press OK. You can also browse all your files using the File Explorer and choose different locations. If you're attaching a file stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, choose how you want to share the file, either as a link or by attaching it as a copy. Right-click on OneDrive or SharePoint documents to change permissions for editing or viewing. Another way to add a picture is to select the Insert ribbon menu, then Pictures, select the picture, then press Insert. Doing so, Outlook will place the image inside the message body instead than as an attachment. When you receive an attachment, you can select it to preview or you can open it. You can also save it. When you're done, select Back to Message. If you forward the email, the attachment will remain as part of the email. Finally, we will cover how to recall or replace a sent email if your business uses Microsoft 365. Select the Sent Items folder and double-click the message to open it. Select File, Resend, and Recall. Recall this message. The menu gives you two options. Delete will remove the email from the recipient's box if they haven't read it. Delete and Replace will open the message so you can edit the text and resend it. The new email will replace the first one. Make sure the Tell Me box is checked so you'll receive a status email if the recall happens. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.